So during this crisis that we're living through, I'm very, very lucky because we are growing salads that look like this. These are Selenova. Seeds come from Johnny's, and they look like flowers, don't they? I could put that in a vase and someone would say, oh my gosh, what's that unusual green flower? But these are beautiful. This is a variegated reddish, greenish Selenova, and this is the green flower Selenova. And they have many, many leaves on them. And I wash them whole, and then I just tear the leaves off like that. But first, before I make a salad, and this is a salad that my family loves, and I'm always asking my family to make the dressing. There's no secret to it whatsoever, but everybody thinks it's so special, and it's just the best olive oil, the best vinegar, salt, pepper, a tiny bit of mustard if you like, and one little secret, a pinch of sugar. So, and herbs if you'd like to. I have some fresh dill from the greenhouse and some beautiful fresh parsley and a little bit of cilantro hiding someplace in this bunch of parsley. So to start, make the salad dressing. I make my salad dressing right in the bowl. Why dirty another bowl for the salad dressing when you're going to put everything in here anyway? So I mix the dressing right in the bottom of the bowl. And I start with a little bit of salt and like a half a teaspoon of salt. And I then add my vinegar. And this is a yuzu rice vinegar. I love rice vinegar. I use a lot of it. And I just pour, about that much, probably less than a quarter of a cup of vinegar. I can always add more. And dissolve the salt in vinegar. Use a whisk. And then that little pinch of sugar, maybe 2 pinches. The rice vinegar is a little bit sweet on its own, so you need very little in the way of sugar. And now the best French mustard that you can find, maybe 2 little spoons. It's about 1 large teaspoon. And stir that in. We're not going to make a giant salad tonight, enough for 4 people, but it goes a long, long way, this dressing. And it really does coat the dry lettuce leaves very nicely. And then, a little bit of pepper. Don't forget your pepper. I like a big pinch of freshly ground black pepper. See the emulsification process now? Now with your whisk, you drizzle in your oil. This is really good. Fresh olive oil from Portugal. I went to Portugal a few months ago. And of course, when I was in Comporta, I went to the best grocery store and I found this delicious, I said, please give me the best olive oil. And this is what they sold me. It's very nice. Now look how emulsified, how thick, how rich, how beautiful that looks. Now taste it, of course. That's a good salad dressing. So easy, really good. And it is going to be beautiful on this spectacular lettuce. So the leaves just go in whole. I like big leaf salad. And I just break them off. And don't mix them in yet because we haven't even made, or tonight we're having hamburgers. Can you believe it? We've been eating such delicious food every single night. And I thought my local butcher, Scaglio's, is closed, of course, to the public, and it's curbside pickup only. And by the way, Scaglio's had, I said, what's the best hamburger? And he said, I will give it to you. So I got 2 pounds of the best Scaglio's sirloin. I think it's mixed with a little bit of something else, but no, very, very unfatty meat. So look how pretty this is. It's pretty enough to eat just like that without even the dressing. But I'm gonna put a little bit of the red leaves in the salad too. Look at this gorgeous salad. You can buy salads. I don't know if you can buy this Selenova. I haven't seen that really in the stores, but probably in farmers markets they're selling Selenova. I rarely go to the farmers market because I have pretty much everything here on the. I am a farmers market. So here we go. That's pretty. I'm not adding anything else to the salad. No avocado, no this, no that, and a little bit of fresh dill fronds. I like this taste of dill in my salad. And I am not going to mix this up right yet because I have to cook our hamburgers. They're going to have tomatoes and Monterey Jack cheese and bacon, best apple smoked bacon on homemade brioche toast. So that's that. And how about a little bit of parsley? I'm working right on my kitchen counter, making this fresh, healthy, beautiful salad. That'll be tossed last minute right before serving. That's when you want to do a salad like this. But you can use other kinds of lettuce. You could use watercress, you could use arugula, you can use mosh, you can use iceberg lettuce with this dressing, you can use romaine lettuce with this dressing. And if you like, you can add a little bit of garlic. If you like, you can add a little bit of shallot. Shallot's always very good in the salad dressing. Or if you only have green onions, use green onions. But tonight, it's all about the lettuce. So here we go. That is the perfect salad. And you'll see the perfect salad mixed in just a second. And now for the toss. Very delicately, I'm using these cute little wooden spoons I recently found in my basement, in my prop room, and just toss. And the lettuce, can you see it is dry? The drier the leaves, the better, dry and cold, because you want the dressing to stick to the dry surface of each and every leaf. Don't squash, don't push down on it, just lightly, lightly toss it. You can see that it's really kind of coating every leaf. You might lose a leaf or two out on the table, but no problem. And when you look down in the bottom of the bowl, look, the salad dressing is gone because there it is. It's on the leaves. And serve this immediately. Your family, your friends will adore a freshly tossed, delicious salad.